First question is, an athlete completes one round of circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? एक एथलीट एक सर्कुलर ट्रैक जिसका डायमीटर 200 मीटर है वन राउंड कंप्लीट करता है 40 सेकंड में, तो 2 मिनट 20 सेकंड के अंत में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा और कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा, ये निकालने के लिए कह रहा है। फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ ए सर्कुलर ट्रैक। दिस इज ए सर्कुलर ट्रैक। This is the center of the circular track. This is the diameter of the circular track. Diameter is denoted by D. D equal to 200 meter given here. Therefore, we write diameter of circular track equal to 200 meter. This is the starting point and this is the end point. Time taken to complete one round equal to 40 सेकेंड। इस सर्कुलर ट्रैक पर जो है आपका एथलीट दौड़ना शुरू करता है और 40 सेकेंड में इस स्थान से दौड़ते हुए जो है इस स्थान पर पहुंच जाता है। ठीक है, जैसे ही इस स्थान पे पहुंचा यहाँ से चलते हुए यहाँ तक, तो वह आपका एक कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट कर लेता है। तो मीन्स दिस कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशन is determined by the circumference of circular track. So we calculate the value of circumference of circular track is equal to pi into d. The value of pi is 3.14 into d is 200 meter. Put here. Now we multiply 6 to 8 meter. Therefore, the speed of athlete equal to distance by time. Distance is circumference of circular track equal to divided by time. Circumference of circular track is 628 meter divided by time is 40 second. Four times 40, 4 1 4, 4 5 20, 4 7 120, 4 7 28, 157 meter by 10 second equal to 15.7 meter per second. According to question, total time of running equal to 2 minutes 20 second. Now we change minutes into second, so we multiply 2 multiply 60 second plus 20 second. 120 second plus 20 second equal to 140 second. Now total distance covered in 140 second equal to speed into time. Speed is 15.7 meter per second. Multiply, time is 140 second. Now we multiply, we get 2198 meter. Therefore, the total distance covered at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds equal to 2198 meter. Also, number of rounds equal to total distance divided by circumference of circular track equal to total distance is 2198 meter and circumference of circular track is 628 meter. From here, circumference of circular track is 628 meter. So put here. This meter and this meter is cancelled, equal to, we divide 2198 by 628, we get 3.5. Number of rounds equal to 3.5, means 3 complete round and 1 half round. We go to the figure. This is a circular track. When an athlete moves from this point to this point is 1 round, and again starting from this point to this point is second round, and 0.5 means an athlete starting from this point to this point. This is the ending point. This is the starting point. Therefore, 3.5 round means 3 complete round, and 0.5 round means half round. That's all. When athlete start from this point to this point is 1 round. Again, this point to this point second round, this point to this point third round, and 0.5 round means this point to this point means 0.5 round means half round. That's all. This is the meaning of 3.5 round. Thus, the athlete will be diametrically opposite to the starting point. Therefore, displacement equal to diameter of the circular track, and diameter of the circular track is 200 meter. So displacement is 200 meter. So the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds equal to 200 meter. That's the answer. Thank you. यदि आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें।